Note, if you used info links previously, please be sure that you followed the initial login update how to process video prior to creating a new box. Before you start, pack your records in Rutgers Records Management approved boxes and affix unique barcode labels. Boxes can be ordered from the RURC, Rutgers University Records Center. Email your request for storage boxes to recordsmanagement@ipo.rutgers.edu. The boxes will be sent to you along with a corresponding number of unique barcode labels. Additional labels without boxes can also be ordered. To add a box or boxes to the Gimmal system, go to Gimmal at rutgers.gimmal.com, log on, and go to the Boxes tab. Click on the Create button. Enter information in the following categories. Box barcode. This is a required field. Enter the unique box number from the barcoded label that has been placed on the box. Department box number. This is an optional field. If your department uses a numbering system that you would like to be able to search on in addition to the unique box number, enter that number in this field. Organization. This is a required field. The owner code or codes that were defined at the time of setup will appear in this section. Select the search button in the organization section. If you are set up with more than one code, a list of those codes will appear under the blue org quick description ribbon. Select the desired owner code by clicking the round radio button. Once selected, the owner code and description will populate the organization field. If the correct owner code is not listed or if you have any questions, please contact the Records Center at recordsmanagement@ipo.rutgers.edu. Records retention schedule. This is a required field. Based on the owner code that was selected in the previous step, a list of general, university-wide, and department-specific records retention schedules will display under the blue Retention Schedule Quick Description ribbon. Select the schedule that matches the record type packed in the box. There might be more than one page to review. If the record type is not listed or if you have any questions, please contact the Records Center at recordsmanagement@ipo.rutgers.edu. Contents description. This is a required field. Enter a brief description of the contents of the box. For example, 2010 School of Pharmacy graduates, patient files purged October 2009. Be sure to use the contents date range and contents range fields to properly identify the contents of the box. If the box does not have a logical sequence, specific file level information can be entered. You can cut and paste already created inventories into this category. Data that is entered can be keyword searched later. Contents range. This is an optional field. If your box has a logical alpha or numeric sequence, enter the first and last file in the field. For example, if the box contains files 100 to 150, enter 100 to 150. If the box contains files Adams to Jones, enter the full names or abbreviate with ADA-JON. Contents date range. Date from/date to. This is a required field. Enter the date range of the records that are being stored in the box. It is very important that this field is entered so that the scheduled destruction date of the box can be calculated. The format is month, day, year. The following categories are automatically inputted. There's no need to adjust. Box size and box type. The following categories are not needed for user input. Cutoff date, notes, LSI box number, city side box number. Once you have completed the entry for the box, you can click one of the three buttons located at the top right portion of your screen. Save and New. Select if you wish to save the new box you just created and you wish to create a second box. All of the information from the box just created will auto-populate, so be sure to change any information for the new box that you are creating from the box just created, including the box barcode number. Save and View. Select if you wish to save the new box just created and you wish to view the information. Save and Close. Select if you wish to save the new box just created and have completed entry. You will be taken back to the box data view.